Hello and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Sandy Cruz and I'm the designer and the creator of the first digital planner called the iPlanner, being used globally since 2012. In this video, I'm going to take you on a tour of the 2022 iPlanners. This year there are 4 themes and each theme has 5 layouts to choose from. The planner that you're looking at on my screen currently is called Savannah. Savannah comes in a multiple color palette. And then we also have this year Dylan. Dylan replaced Mason from past years. This is the minimalistic gray tone themed iPlanner. And then we have Patrick, and Patrick is kind of a tone-on-tone blues with navy mixed in, very popular color palette. And then lastly, number 4, this is the Abigail theme. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using Abigail to demonstrate the features of the iPlanner. All the iPlanners are exactly alike depending on the theme you choose and the layout that you choose. So like I mentioned earlier, all 4 themes are available in 5 different layouts. This layout is the daily, weekly, where you have your day on the left and a week at a glance on the right. You have timestamps that start at 5 in the morning, ending at 9 at night. There's also a spot for tasks and any contacts that you might make during that day. This is the horizontal layout. Here you have a spot for notes. Of course, you've got your month at a glance. Number 3 is the weekly vertical, and here you have your week at a glance that you can view vertically, and you have your month at a glance in the upper left corner. The next layout is also a weekly vertical, but with this one you have timestamps. So this is called the weekly vertical hourly. And lastly, number 5 layout is called the daily, and just like on the daily weekly, you have your day at a glance on the left. But instead of having the week at a glance on the right, you have a lined page for any journaling, any notes, any stickers that you are keeping track of for that day. All 4 themes come with covers and dashboards. So what you're looking at now is the 8 covers that are included with the planner. And of course, the covers and the dashboards are going to match whatever theme you choose. So let me just flip through here real quick so you can take a look at all of these covers. And these covers come bound, and they actually cover up the spiral on the covers. And like I said, there's 8 of these. And then these are the dashboards. These dashboards can also be used as the cover. The only difference is the spiral is cut out, and so the spiral will be exposed on the cover rather than the bound covers covering up the spiral. I like to use these for my dashboards. And the package comes with 8 right side and 8 left side. So that way you could cover either side of your page when the planner is open. And I'll show you how to do that here in a minute. And each planner, of course, comes with stickers. We have to have stickers, and there's a lot of text included with the stickers, sticky notes, and then we've got calendars that you could use on your templates, especially the undated templates that come with the planner. And lastly, with each planner, there is a palette, and you've got the color and the hex codes so that you can customize your ink to match your planner. One more thing I want to point out is Abigail and Savannah are available in either a Sunday or a Monday start. The Sunday and Monday start refers to all the mini cals located throughout the planner. This would be a Sunday start because you've got Sunday at the beginning of the week and Saturday at the end. If you chose a Monday start, you would have Monday all the way on the far left, and you would have Saturday and Sunday together. All of the planners, no matter whether you choose a Monday or a Sunday start, have the weekends together. The other thing that the Sunday and Monday start refers to are the monthly layouts. So since this is a Sunday start, you have Sunday on the far left and then you have Saturday on the far right. In the Monday starts, you would have Saturday and Sunday on the far right together. All of the planners come packed full of templates. To locate the templates, you will tap this dot over the spiral, and then you'll jump right to the index page. The index dot is located on every single page throughout the planner except the index page and the cover. Here you can see a list of all the templates that are included in the planner, and they're all linked. So whichever one of these templates you tap on the list, you'll jump to that template. And you can duplicate all the templates over and over again and relocate them throughout the planner. All the iPlanners come with 2 years at a glance. You have your current year and then the future year. And all of these monthly mini cals are linked, and they will take you to that month. And if you want to get back to 2 years at a glance, you'll just tap the year. All the iPlanners also include 8 customizable tabs. I like to label my tabs with icons because they look really nice and neat. Depending on what you would like to store in your planner, you would label these tabs so that at a glance you know what you're storing in each one of these sections. All of the monthly tabs are also linked, and they will take you to the monthly layout, and all the dates are also linked to take you to that date. And when you tap on one of the monthly tabs and it opens up that monthly layout, the month tab advances to the left. So if I were to hit March, it flips to the left, April flips to the left, May, and so on. All the planners include a monthly overview, and the monthly overviews are located after the monthly layouts. I like to use this page for tasks that I'm going to complete this month, goals that I have for the month, things that I'm going to have to remember for this month, and then you have a nice space to either put stickers, any notes, sticky notes, just whatever you would need to locate quickly during that month. Another way to navigate the iPlanner is using the outlines. So for this, you would tap on the 4 dots and you would want to select outlines. And here you can see a list of everything that's included in the planner. And if you simply tap on any one of these, it will take you to that location. Also, there are arrows located next to each thumbnail, and that twirls down and shows you the pages that are behind that month. These are the 8 customizable tab sections. And then at the very back of the planner, we've got the extras. And those are all the templates that are included in the iPlanner. So kind of quickly, I'm going to go ahead and scroll through all the templates so that you can get a close-up look. This is the 365-day challenge. You can use this for either tracking 1 month, 6 months, 2 years, and you could either fill in these boxes with a check mark, you can color them in, you can add an icon, whatever you choose. Bill payment tracker. This is a blank page. I like to use this page when I'm brainstorming, and I brainstorm or brain dump with sticky notes. And once I get them all thrown onto this page, then I can start arranging them and breaking them down into smaller tasks. Communications page. I have a lot of teachers that use this planner as their teacher planner, and they use this page for communicating with the parents of their students. Cornell Notes page, a daily devotional page. This page is dotted, dot grid, and I'm zooming in so you can see how crystal clear those dots are. A page for your go-to verses. And by the end of the year, I've usually duplicated this page about 12 times. I like to use this page for goal planning. I'll just brain dump all the goals that I want to accomplish in a year, and then I can start dragging and dropping them and organizing them till my year looks balanced out. Other people use this to keep track of birthdays and anniversaries. And some of my teachers that use the iPlanner for their teacher planner, they use this to plan field trips and any events that they plan for the year. This is a grid page. I'll go ahead and zoom in on that for you. Gratitude page. I like to use this page for projects. There's a place for your project title, a start date, a due date, any description. I'll usually put some stickers up here. I break down the project into smaller tasks, context, and the date that it was completed. And then you've got all kinds of room right here for any pictures that you need, measurements that you've taken, stickers that you're using, an image of the finished product or finished project. I love this to track my meals. What I do is I take a picture with my iPad of whatever I'm getting ready to eat, whether it's a sandwich, a plate of spaghetti, my morning egg and toast, and I'll just get a quick picture of it and fit it into these squares so that at a glance I can see everything that I've eaten all day. There's even a place for calories if you count those, or you can count your carbs and fill that in here on the bottom. Track your water for the day, and each page is 1 week of meals. Vehicle mileage log, if you're tracking any of your mileage to be reimbursed, or if you're self-employed and you use your vehicle for your business, here's a good way to keep track of your mileage so that you can deduct it or be reimbursed for it if you use your car for your job. And this template is a perpetual at a glance, and I like to use this for reoccurring payment. That way at a glance I can see what's coming up and then I'm not surprised. A template for prayer requests, a lined page if you want a journal or if you're taking notes at school, any sermon notes, and you have all the information that you can fill out in the blanks here, and then you've got all this room to take notes. SOAP study page. SOAP stands for Scripture, Observation, Application, and Prayer. And then again, you have all this room for notes. I like to use this page for my tasks, and you've got your check boxes and you've got plenty of room for your task and any description. Tracker template. I know that some of my teachers also use this for taking roll in their class and keeping track of grades and assignments. And now the undated pages. Every planner comes with the 5 layout undated pages. So if you choose the weekly vertical or the weekly horizontal or the daily layout, you have the best of all worlds because you have all the other templates in the planner and they're undated, so that you can duplicate them and locate them anywhere you want throughout the planner. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, 5 layouts are available on all 4 themes, and the 5 layouts are also included in all the planners, but they're undated and you would duplicate them. So this one is the daily, weekly, the daily, the weekly horizontal, the weekly vertical, hourly, and then the weekly vertical. And to use these, you would use your stickers, and I'll just go through that real quick. So I'm going to grab all the days of the week, and I mean, you can do this so fast, and you can do this with any of the templates. I'm going to put Monday, Tuesday, and I'm not being very picky where I put them or where I center it so that this video isn't too terribly long. There's the days of the week. Now let's get some numbers, and I'm only grabbing 3. Just place them here. And you don't necessarily have to put them where I put them. You can put them on top or leave enough room to put them just above, but I think that's kind of cute that way. And now we need a calendar. So let's say this is January and we want a Sunday start. If you wanted, you can also grab a Monday start. Both sets come with the sticker pack. Oh, I grabbed something that I didn't want. I guess since I have it, I'll go ahead and put it over some notes. And this is just some watercolor stickers. And the dates also come in dotted circles. So you can choose from either the one that I used, or you can choose the brown circles. You also have all these icons, and this is what I was telling you earlier about labeling your tabs. I like to use these to label my tabs. So let's just say that I want to designate one of my sections, tab sections, for my finances. I'll come over here and grab this little piggy bank, and I'll copy it, and I will paste it onto one of my tab sections so I know what I'm keeping in that section. Just at a glance, I'll know that that first tab designates my financial section. You can set up an undated page just as quickly and easily in any of the layouts. So let's go back to the horizontal and I'll show you how fast that can be done. So I'll put the calendar in the spot that's designated for the calendar, and I will put Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, and of course you get the idea. And then I'm going to go back and get one more sticker with text, and let's see, I'm gonna get the cleaning sticker. There are tons of text stickers included in the package, and I'm gonna go ahead and put, so this will be where I'm gonna plan my cleaning day, and I'll just go ahead and put that watercolor sticker behind that. So there, I just created another dated week with the undated template. All right, and one more thing I want to show you that I talked about earlier, and it was setting up using the dashboards. So like I mentioned earlier, the dashboards come left and right, And I like to use these on my tab sections. So let's see, I'm going to get this one and jump over to the planner and then jump over to the tab section. And these are already cropped and sized, so all you have to do is just adjust them. And I usually like to keep a dashboard on the left and then leave the page on the right blank for any brain dumps or anything that I need to organize in this section. However, like I mentioned earlier, they come left and right. So let me go ahead and just use this one for the right side. Copy and paste. And there you go. And that concludes the tour of the 2022 iPlanners. There are 30 planners altogether, and I'm sure you'll find one that fits your style of planning. Thanks for watching, guys. Have an outstanding day.